If you're getting the not enough storage error in CapCut Upscaler, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it on PC, in just a few simple steps. This is one of the most common CapCut problems, especially if you edit a lot, save multiple drafts, or keep your cache and project files in the same location for too long. The good news is that you can usually free up space fast without deleting your important work. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut fixes and editing tips. Let's get straight into it. First, open CapCut on your PC and go to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon for settings. Click that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, choose Settings again. This opens the main settings panel, where CapCut stores all of its file and performance options. Now, once you're inside the settings area, look for the Drafts tab. In this section, you should see cache-related storage information. If your cache size has built up over time, it can quickly eat up disk space and trigger the storage error, especially when using the Upscaler feature. Click the Delete icon next to the cache size to clear it. This removes unnecessary temporary data and immediately gives CapCut more room to work with. Now let's move on to the next fix, because sometimes clearing cache alone is not enough. Go back into the Settings menu the same way as before. Then switch to the Performance tab. In this tab, look for the option that lets you change the save file location. This is very important because if CapCut is saving projects to a drive that is almost full, you will keep running into storage problems no matter how many files you delete inside the app. Click the location setting and choose a different drive or folder that has much more free space available. If you have another internal drive, that is usually the best option. If not, choose a folder with plenty of room on your current drive. After selecting the new location, save the changes and let CapCut apply them. Next, you should clean out your drafts and trash, because these can hold a lot of hidden storage usage that many people forget about. From the CapCut home screen, scroll down a little until you see your drafts. Go through them and delete any unnecessary projects you no longer need. Old drafts can build up quickly, especially if you test a lot of edits or keep duplicate versions of the same project. After that, click on Trash and clear it as well. Even if you already deleted projects earlier, they may still be sitting in the trash and using space in the background. Emptying both drafts and trash gives CapCut a cleaner workspace and helps prevent the storage warning from coming back. If you're still seeing the error after that, there are a couple of quick extra checks you can do. First, make sure your computer itself has enough free storage on the drive CapCut is using. CapCut Upscaler needs room not just for the final file, but also for temporary processing files while it works. Second, close and reopen CapCut after making these changes so the app can refresh its storage detection. Sometimes the warning does not disappear until the app restarts. Third, if you use a lot of large video files, consider moving older exports to an external drive or cloud storage so your main editing drive stays free. The main thing to remember is that this error is usually caused by cache buildup, a full save location, or too many unused drafts. Once you clear the cache, change the save path and empty drafts and trash. CapCut should have enough space to continue using the Upscaler normally. This is one of the fastest ways to fix the issue without reinstalling the app or losing important projects. If this tutorial helped you, please tap the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing fixes, and simple how-to videos. And if you want, I can also help you with more CapCut problems like export errors, lagging, or failed upscaling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.